Installing a pipeline is one thing. But what if the exact location needs to be retraced later? This is no problem with the new GEROfit Nexus plastic pipe system. It can be located later, as easily as power cables. Thanks to its robust casing, it's ideal for all trenchless laying methods. Above all, it's axially completely equipped with a sinusoidal dual detection wire. Simply connect the sender to the installed contact and record the position of the pipeline with decimeter precision using the handy locating device. And not only that, with a positioning system, the measured pipe sections can also be transmitted wirelessly as GPS data to the PC or smartphone. There they are clearly marked on a map, so that the information about the pipelines can still be easily understood years later. An invaluable advantage for planners, construction companies, and suppliers. Do you want to learn more? Visit us at www.gerodur.de.